Hey folks, this is going to be Roy Orbison, Oh Pretty Woman. Van Halen also did a cover of this one. This has got a great riff to it. We're going to have a capo on the second fret to get started. We're going to be basically in kind of a D7 kind of thing. So the original key on guitar is an E. So we're just putting a capo on the second fret, using a D to get us into that same area. Makes our riff a little easier to play on this instrument. So we're going to have big one open twice, then 4, and then 2 on the third string, 1 on the second string. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and again. 2, 3, 4. Now the next time we're going to go. So we have a longer riff, so O, O, 4, 2, 1, and then bottom string open, and then second string 3 to 1. So we're going to do that 4 times in a row. Let's try that together, nice and slow. 3, 4. Right, so great fun riff. Now we're going to be on a G chord, easy enough. We're going to have that kind of common strum pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Let's try that. 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to go from that G to a E minor, 2 with the opens up here. So let's go from G to E minor. We're going to go back and forth to those 2 chords twice. So 2, 3, and. Back to G. Now we're going to go C, which just needs this one finger right here on the second string on the 1. 2, 0, 1, 0. But we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then we go to the C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how that's kind of a little interesting? D, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We actually have 4 bars of D, and the last bar of D we can switch to D7, 3, 4. Let's look at that again. So G to E minor twice, 2, 3, and. Now we're going to go C for 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the D. Second measure. Third measure. Now fourth measure. We can go D7 there, and then we're back to a verse. C for 6. 4, 5, 6, D. Second measure. Third measure. Go to D7. And then we can get back into our riff. Okay, next verse. G, E minor. Twice. Then we got our C for 6 beats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D. Second measure. Third measure. And then D7 on the fourth measure. Then we have our riff again. So on this one, we kind of don't play the riff all the way through the 4th time because we're getting ready to go into the bridge. So that'd be like a, say like 3 times. Maybe just strum that D7 on that last one. Then we're going to get into a C minor shape. So we have a little 3, 4, 5, and 5. C minor to F. B flat, I'm going to do these 3s and then the top 3 strings. And then G minor, I'm going to go open with those 3s and the bottom 3 strings. C minor, F again, or you could do F7 if you want to get extra right there. That'd be 1, 2, 1, 1. So once again on this bridge, C minor to F, B flat. Now B flat could also be that one, but sometimes that's an easy one to keep things going quick. So C minor, F, B flat, G minor, C minor, F or F7, and then B flat twice. Now we're back to the C minor, F, B flat, G minor, C minor, F or F7, B flat to G. Okay, then that kind of turns things around. We're going to E minor now. E minor to C minor, D to G. E minor again, C minor, and then we have D7, or you could do your riff. 4 times. And then we're back to a verse. Now at the end of the song, it keeps going on this D7. And it has a stop at one point. And then it gets back into the riff. 2, 3, and. 2, 3, and. And it just keeps doing that. Let's look at that riff again. 0, 0, 4, 2, 1. A little open, and then 3, 1 in the second. And I think it's like 12 times on that last bit at the end of the song. In the very end, you go G, G. Hit 2 G's there. Okay, so it'd be like, say this is the last one. Right? Okay, so let's look at everything we've talked about so far. We have the riff. 2, 3, and. 2, 3, and. Then we get into this longer riff. 4 times. Okay, then we're in our verse, G to E minor. We got our strum down, down, up, down, up. So here we go, 3, 4. E minor, G, E minor, C for 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The D. We got 4 bars of D. We can go D7 on the last one. Okay, and then you either have another verse or you have probably have a full riff. Next verse. C for 6. 4, 5, 6. And then we got D. Fourth bar could be D7. Then we got riff. We get into the bridge. This is going to be the C minor chord. So 5, 5, 4, and 3. C minor to F. B flat, which is 3s in the top 3 strings. G minor, which is open on the big one, and 3s in the bottom. C minor, F, or F7. B flat twice. C minor again. F, B flat, G minor coming up, C Okay, let's check out that riff one more time. All right. Oh, Pretty Woman, Roy Orbison. Great track. Check out Van Halen's version if you haven't heard that one. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.